Okay, then behind me, something extra special for you guys in the Defender range. And if you follow what we do, you'll know that Defenders are our thing. We sell them day in, day out. We price them properly. We buy the best ones, and we know how to sell them. And in this format here behind me, it is a fantastic car. Beautiful example. This is an XS model, D250, 3-litre diesel on a 24 plate. It's done 8,000 miles. But as you see this car spin on our turntable, look how good it looks. Now, a company called Obsidian, who we've dealt with and sold a lot of these vehicles over the last year and a half, have converted this from the external element to make it look an absolute eyeful. Darkened rear taillights, spare wheel cover, fully Santorini black, mud flaps. Again, as you see it turn, the side profile are made by these beautiful 22-inch wheels, but it doesn't stop there, because literally every factor of this car has been modified on the external to make it look fantastic. The arch extensions, the roof rails, the steps. Love these bits into the wings, bonnet insert, and as it turns, you'll see obviously we've got light pod, a fully black car, even down to the front spoiler. Now this has been done as well down here, give it a bit more of a aggressive stance to the front with the eye sections here. What a car it is for the money. Look at the price. 24 plate, warranty with Land Rover until 2027, only 8,000 miles. And then, as a base car, the XS is fantastic. So 3-litre diesel, D250. On the inside of this car, we have air suspension, full leather interior, Meridian sound system, electric seat, memory seats, refrigerator, wireless charging, heated and ventilated front seat, heated steering wheel, clear sight camera, opening roof. Literally everything you'll use on a daily basis. The XS model is a special edition, but it comes as a fully loaded vehicle. It really is special. It's got everything I would want. Again, to the rear, we've got Isofix points, leather interior, as you'd expect, switchable ambient lighting. Let's stop the turntable here, because the XS giving you, or the Defender 110 giving you boot space, air suspension switchable from the left-hand side, rugged and durable in the back, so you've got like a heavy-duty backs of the seats, the floor. So if you've got a family and you need some more space, but you want to be able to chuck stuff in and out and not get the car damaged, and the Defender is for you because it is very rugged and durable. Then into the driver section, so painted door handles. It is a Santorini black car, keyless entry with that button there. And then inside we have leather interior. Now the seats are fully electric with memory function. We've got heated wheel, heated seats, cruise control, lane assist, switchable cockpit, 360 camera, top view camera, 3D camera. It's got everything, this car. Then if we look here, we've got heated seats and ventilated seats to the front, switchable air suspension, heated front and rear screens, 2 keys, wireless charging, refrigerator. The clear sight camera is this little camera here under the aerial, opening roof, Meridian sound, memory seats. What a car it is for the money, honestly. If you're looking for a Defender, you want something special, you want something that has the interior features, but certainly the exterior look, this is the car for you. My name's Richard, this is going on the website now. It will not last long. We sell a lot of these Defenders. Lots and lots. It's too many to actually tell you how many it is, but this is really special. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.